Today I have Amazon Luxury Skincare Box. Stay tuned to see what's inside. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight, and I have the Amazon Luxury Skincare Beauty Box. That's a mouthful. This beauty box is $14.99, but the unique thing about this particular beauty box is that you get a $14.99, a $15 credit towards any luxury beauty item that's shipped and sold by Amazon. So if you see something that you like in this box, you try it out, you love it, then you're gonna get a $15 credit towards it. That's what makes it so unique. I know that the Target will give you a $3 coupon. Ipsy has kind of a cashback program, but this is the only one that I know of that actually gives you money to try their products or to buy the product that you like. I mean, it depends on how you look at it. This could be free and then you're paying whatever. It confuses me. I get confused. Let's have a look at it though. This is the first time I'd seen the sun care products and I really wanted to give them a try. First of all, it just comes packaged really, really pretty. I mean, Amazon dominates. I am an Amazon junkie. I will link this box for you below if you would like to get it yourself. It's a really nice presentation. All right, we're gonna start with UB Moisturizing Skin Cream. It is original Japanese formula. I guess this is, oh, no, it's just soft skin. It's a little tiny tube. Comes in this little package here. UB. Tiny, cute, love it. I love beauty boxes, I can't help it. This is Obagi Sunscreen, and this is a really nice 1 ounce sample size. This is broad spectrum. This is fantastic. Here we've got the 10-minute tan by Vita Liberati. This actually says organic neroli, rose, and peptide. So it has some really nice ingredients in it. And this is 20 mils, 6.68 fluid ounces. So almost as big as the Obagi. So we have 2 ounces so far. Weightless Broad Spectrum SPF 15 by PCA Skin. This is a smaller sample size. MD Solar Sciences 30 Mineral Tinted. This will be fun to try. La Roche-Posay. This is 60 SPF or Anthelios 60, and it's broad spectrum. This is 1 ounce. Oh, 0.1. Let's have a look here. Yeah, it's teeny tiny. I have to admit that I have a bigger bottle that I got in a sample, and I don't like it. But I'll use these up because this is $15 worth of product. I'm going to use every bit of this up. This is Clinical Hydra Cool Serum. Ooh, neat. Let's give this a try right now. Pepperminty. No? It's not peppermint. Once you put it on, you can't even smell it. All right, let's see if that cools my hand off. It's probably for an after sun sort of thing. This is Supergoop 50 SPF. And lastly, this is Clinical. So we had this right here, and now we have this. And this is okay. The serum, I don't know. This is the serum. Hydrating, soothing, anti-blemish. Provides intensive hydration, irritated skin, sunburned skin, blah, 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 blah. And then what's this then? This doesn't even belong in there. How'd that get in there? This was inside of this. And this is Jane Iredale Lip Drink Lip Balm in a nude color. What do you think? Isn't this a fun box? I love it. I really love it. And I will probably be buying one of these and spending my $15. If you ever go to check out and you're buying one of your luxury beauty products and Amazon doesn't give you the $15 credit, just shoot them an email. They're super good about responding to those type of emails. It just happened to me about a week ago where I had a $10 credit that didn't show up and they just credited me $10 easily enough. I have another Amazon beauty box coming next week, so you'll want to subscribe so you don't miss that. Thank you for joining me today. If you are not a subscriber, I would love to have you as a subscriber. If you'll click that picture of me just above me, that will subscribe you to my channel. I do makeup, skincare, hair, nails, unboxings. It's chaos here all the time. You just never know what you're going to get. And in the meantime, here's a video for you to watch. I think you'll enjoy that one. Be blessed.